Well, welcome to a beautiful morning in the Sierra Nevada. My mission is to go up behind my house and see how much work I'm going to have to do to clear out the dryer vent so my wife can dry the laundry. I have no interest whatsoever in putting on a pair of skivvies that were dried on the line today. This is all snow off my roof, and it took four men, a very hard-working 6 hours, to clear this snow off my roof yesterday. Trying to tromp myself down a path here for when I come back with the shovel. If I didn't have these snowshoes on, I'd be up to my neck right now. Hi. Right down there is my back door. I don't think I'm gonna have any trouble with magazine salesmen and Jehovah's Witnesses today. And the dryer vent's right about down there. Perfect timing. The sun came out today for the first time in days and started to melt my roof off. That's good. All we need is sunlight and temperature, and damn plenty of both. Alright, I'm going to go back now. You don't need to see the shovel work or me crying.